Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zapier Webhooks to trigger bubble workflows detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, log into your Bubble account. Navigate to the application where you want to set up the webhook. In the editor, go to the API section under the Settings tab. Ensure that the API is enabled for your application. Look for the Workflow section within the API settings. Click on the option to add a new API workflow. Give your workflow a clear and descriptive name. Scroll down to find the option to enable the workflow to be triggered via a webhook. Make a note of the generated API endpoint URL. Next, log into your Zapier account. Create a new Zap by clicking the Make a Zap button. Select Webhook by Zapier as your trigger app. Choose the Catch Hook Trigger event. Click Continue to get to the webhook URL step. Copy the webhook URL provided by Zapier. Return to your Bubble editor. Open the workflow you created previously. Add an action to the workflow that triggers when the webhook is called. Return to your Zapier setup. Paste the Bubble webhook URL into the appropriate field. Click Continue to move to the next step. To test the webhook, go back to Bubble and manually trigger the workflow. Then, go back to Zapier and click the Test Trigger button. Once the test is successful, you will see the data sent from Bubble. Continue building your Zap by selecting the actions you want to perform based on the webhook data. Customize the actions as needed to suit your workflow requirements. Finally, name your Zap and turn it on. Your Zap is now ready to listen for webhooks from Bubble. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.